hook up, extend. Lift the arm on your knee. Let go of your own wrist. Put your hand on his elbow. Stand up, step out, roll and tuck, drop your knee, wrist lock. This should all be starting to look familiar to you guys with some things we've already seen. All right, get the arm here in the position here. Got my hook, went through the submission that we've already learned. I get compliance. I have to take my hook out to roll him, so it comes out and then extends. Now his whole arm, I lift and move over on top of my knee. Okay? From here, I let go of this hand on my own wrist, come behind the elbow. And now you've seen this before. Stand up, step out, roll and tuck in the small of the back, drop your knee on the outside of the tricep. Now we have that wrist lock to get that other hand out from underneath it. Here, here, and then here, okay? So we get the submission, let go, fully extend your leg. We have to create a lot of space here, all right? We lift, still holding the lock. Let go of my own wrist, come behind the elbow. Stand up. Big thing here, I have to step out to create space. Roll and tuck in the small of the back. Remember, the higher that I move the arm up, the more that it's going to cause him to become non-compliant. I drop my knee on the outside. Now I get my wrist lock. What are the most common mistakes? All right, roll the bad guy with this. Hit this real briefly. You just got to go with the submission and roll with it. Okay. All right. So we get through here. Get our hook. We're here on the setup here from the submission. Extend out. This will be the number one mistake, is they won't fully extend, is they'll be here. So when they lift here, they can't lift him all the way up on the side. All right, so I really have to extend my leg out and move it on top of my leg here. Okay? And then right here. A lot of people will get confused and they'll just keep this lock. They won't let go of their own wrist and come here behind the elbow. The push here is going to help him get from his side down to his stomach. Okay? So again, and the next common mistake is we stand up, we don't step out again. So he kind of falls right back into my leg. So I'm going to need to step out again and then roll and tuck. And then we're right here. So what does it look like with a partner, without a partner? Okay? Boom, shake, put the hook in, I'm underneath here. Apply the submission, I get compliance, back up, arise, remove the hook, extend. Lift up, transfer up on top of your knee. Let go of your own wrist, put your hand behind the bad guy's elbow. Stand up, step out, roll and tuck. Drop the knee on the outside of the tricep, apply the wrist lock. If they're super flexible, you do that combat crunch where you put the foot on the other side of the tricep and you sit your weight back on it. All right, any questions?